Okay. Okay, there we go. Hello, everybody. Hello. Okay, my camera's lagging. I don't know why. So, yeah. Just ignore that. Okay, so we're back in Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. Okay? So let's continue. Yes, welcome back. Let's continue your adventure. Yep. Okay. Reaching around Johnny, you grab for the picture frame. Wait, what? Wait, we did all of that. We stopped at her beauty. Yeah? I think so. From back against the wall. Wait, just wait guys, I'm clicking. Okay. Okay, we're back. Coral is so beautiful. What we have is special, and we have tried to capture her beauty in pictures. Don't you mean with you had? Do you mean what you had? Johnny continues to study the picture before he mumbles to himself. Why does everyone refer to our love in the past? What? Nothing. I was just correcting myself. Okay. Is this better? You are not convinced, but you let it slide. Thinking of a different tactic, you ask I don't know. You ask Johnny about his favorite place to go. I'm sure you like taking Coral to beautiful places. Where was your favorite place to go? Johnny thinks for a minute and then gives you an answer. I took her to many places, but her favorite place was Sunset Couch. As Johnny is lost in thought, you nudge Jewel and whisper to him. But from time to time. Good, we will be sure to check it out when we leave here. Just then Johnny hears you whispering. Did I miss something? Looking at Jewel, you nod for him to go ahead. Johnny, if you have heard from Coral, please tell us, we could really use your help. Johnny's smile flutters momentarily before he claps his hands together. Okay, folks, I have got a busy day ahead, so I'm going to have to ask you to leave now. You and Jewel quickly move toward the door as Johnny leads the way. If you can think of anything that might help us find Coral, Johnny smiles as he hopes the front door for you to leave. Yes, you will be the first ones I call. With that, Johnny closes the door and you find yourself alone with Jewel. Okay, this is like getting really weird, and yeah. Once you get back into the car, you break down in tears. Oh, Joe, we are no closer than finding coral than we are yesterday. Jewel pets your shoulder as your tears fall. Okay. Don't let the pressure get into you. You were making progress, I'm sure of it. I hope you are right. Snuffing a little, you grab a tissue from your purse and blow your nose. Looking up at the house, you can see that Johnny is looking out the window at you. What a creepy man! Do you think he will really call us if he heard from her, Jewel? Well, at this point, we have no reason to doubt his word. Yeah. Did you notice that way he acted when I tried to move the picture from the wall? Yes, I did. It almost looked like he was trying to hide something. Yeah, he actually did. And I know I'm not crazy. I did hear a sound in the wall. Did you hear it? Jules shakes his head no. I'm afraid I didn't hear it. What did it sound like? What did you hear in the wall? Okay, we're gonna answer. A clicking sound. Wait. The first two are the same. A clicking sound, a splushing sound. Clicking. Yep. I could swear I heard a clicking sound in the wall. Are you sure that's what you heard? Yeah. I'm absolutely positive. It sounds like something mechanical. I wish I could have heard it. Then I might be able to help you figure out what it was. What if I'm losing my mind? That was some really good detective work back there, though. You smile warmly at Joel. As I was thinking, the location of that picture might be a good place to look for coral. I bet actually, like Johnny kidnapped her or something. I don't know. Well, you did a good job. I wouldn't have thought of that. Thank you, Joel. Now we must need to figure out where it's at. Okay, wait a second, guys. Okay. You look suspiciously at Joel, and how could you know where this place is located? Okay, come on. Jules throws back his head and laughs out loud. I have had a few dates, you know, and I have taken a girl to Sunset Couch on one occasion or another. Growling, you throw your purse across the seat at Joel. Okay, Casanova, now No one wants to hear about your except I don't know. Jewel dodges the purse easily and then puts the car into gear. Okay. No need to get your father's rifled Buttercup. It was a long time ago and I hardly remember it. Okay. Whatever. Like, yeah, whatever. You and Jules slip into an easy silence as he heads the car toward the shoreline highway. I wonder if Jules will ever take me to Sunset Cottage. She's in love with him. I think. Just got a crush on Joel. As the car speeds along the highway, you think again about the pictures on Johnny's wall. Every selfie he took showed Cole in the background, and it appeared that she didn't realize he was taking the pictures. Do you think those pictures could mean that Johnny has been taking Cole? Maybe. Anything is possible. Yeah. Shivering, you huddle closer to Joel. As I just don't understand one thing, Joel. What is it? What's that? If Cole was having a hard time with this guy, why couldn't she tell me about it? I don't know. Joel shakes his head and shrugs at his shoulders. Okay. Perhaps she was embarrassed by the situation. Yeah. If it's true, then I would be lying if I said it didn't hurt just a little, that she didn't come to me for help. Joel reaches out and squeezes your leg, sending shivers up your spine. Leg, not even your hands, like hands. Duh. Looking over at Joel, you see that he is also looking at you. Why does we have this effect on me? Looking back out the window again, you watch as the landscape changes. Sunset Cottage. Okay. Okay, guys, we are gonna end here. Okay, everyone. Bye. See you in the next episode of Caged Bird Lost Mystery Story. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I love you. See ya!